Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas day 14. I'm doing a quick like 3-minute makeup because I need to be on Zoom here in about 5 minutes.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy.
Alright, I am getting all set up. I had no time for eyebrows. Wow, I look like a mess. Okay, and what's great about it is that my school laptop has the worst like built-in camera. So it's like they can't really see clearly anyway, you know? Not like how clear you guys can see me. So that saves the day more often than not. I just finished with my first Zoom group and I figured since it's sitting right here, we would do our advent calendar. So this is once again the Clarence advent calendar and I'm doing this for the second half of Vlogmas. So right now we are on day 2 and this is drawer number 2. Ooh, these are really good sizes. I can't get over it. This is the SOS Hydra Refreshing Hydration Mask. This is the one I got yesterday, the exfoliating scrub, and now we have a hydration mask. These are pretty freaking cool. I feel like I want to save all these products for when Carlos and I travel, or like even our honeymoon. I don't know, I just think it would be kind of nice. I think I'm gonna go make myself a little breakfast right now because I am on a little break, and then I have a couple more Zoom meetings today, so it's gonna be a long day filled with lots of meetings, but that's okay. I decided to make myself a little breakfast. We have a little bit of hash browns, some leftover steak from the other night, and then egg whites, of course with a little bit of hot sauce. And then I made my delicious cup of coffee with my sugar-free peppermint mocha creamer. So I'm gonna enjoy breakfast. I also brought my computer out here because I have a lot of work to do and I'm just gonna work through my break pretty much. Come here. Hey, go to bed. Good bed, Cash. Good bed. Crunchy, crunchy boy. Yummy. The mantle is looking totally decked out with all of the Christmas cards we got. We got a bunch in the mail today from family and friends, so looking super cute. I also got this package and I have no idea what it is. I'm looking rough. I have to touch myself up before my meeting here, but I wanted to open this package. I truly don't know what it is. Hopefully it's not a gift for somebody who watches. It is. But I already told my mom not to watch my videos in December, so we should be good. She, for some reason, is obsessed with camo print. I think it's the influence of her boyfriend. So, and she loves like disposable masks. So I got her a 50-pack of freaking camo disposable masks. Like, how funny is that? Oh my God, she's gonna love these. They're like wrapped up obviously, but I just wanted to see. How freaking funny. These were only like $15 on Amazon, and they actually had a bunch of different prints, so I think that's a kind of a cool option if you guys are not a fan of like cloth masks, to get the disposable ones but in a cute print. My original thought was to put this in her stocking, but I have so many stocking stuffers for her already that I think I'm just gonna wrap this as an actual gift.
Something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found.
package. What could this be?
Honey, how on earth should I?
Oh! Ooh, okay. This company actually sent me 3 masks. These are so cute. Look at this little bandana one. So I got a package at the door. I completely forgot that this company reached out to me, Face Cover US. They're a small business who make face masks and they are so cute. They sent me 3 different ones and I wanted to show you guys what I got. I feel like face masks make really good gifts. I actually got a couple people in my life face masks for Christmas. So I wanted to show you guys the first one, which is this black bandana print. I think they're so cute. They do have the metal piece here so you can like bend it to fit your nose, and then also adjustable straps that go behind your ears. So that's always nice. Then I got this houndstooth print, which I thought was super cute. They do come, by the way, packaged individually. So I wanted to keep one in its package to show you. This is the last one that I got. So this one is like a black and cream floral print. So pretty. I love this color combo. So this is what this one looks like. So I'll be posting all of these on Instagram with swipe up links just to make it easy for you guys. But if you don't have an Instagram or are not following me, I will also link these down below. I just feel like if you don't get them for yourself, even getting them as a gift for someone would be so nice and you'd be supporting a small business. So like I said, I'll have them linked down below.
One of the things that I hear students say a lot is, how come everybody walks around and they look like they know what they're doing and I don't feel like it? I feel like I'm out of place, like I don't belong here.
Just got back from a little workout with my sister. We did a little run, we did a little weights situation, and I feel good. It is now dinner time. I cooked up some chicken that I got from the store. Already like pre-cut and marinated. All I had to do was cook it. And I have some like grainy like quinoa rice. I already had pico de gallo, so I put a little corn in there so we could do this like chipotle style. And I'll probably add maybe like some salsa or guac. We have avocado salsa and then guacamole. So I'm going to kind of prepare just like a chipotle style bowl. This is hands down the best avocado salsa you guys will ever taste. I don't know if they sell this everywhere, but I get it at like Safeway or like S-Mart. They have it there. It's the Casa Sanchez Taqueria style medium avocado salsa. Most avocado salsas I feel like are pretty caloric. This one is 2 tablespoons for 5 calories. That's it. So it's like you can't beat that and it's so good. Just honestly dipping this with chips is bomb. This is the final bowl, and of course I have my water to drink. Yay!
We're gonna watch The Bachelorette. We're gonna end the vlog here. Whoa.
I
See
need
you
to
tomorrow.
give you a haircut.
I need to get a haircut.
Tomorrow I'll give him a haircut.
Yeah.
I'm not a hairstylist in any way, shape, or form.
No.
Alright, we'll see you for Vlogmas Day 15.
Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Peace.
That's how I end my vids.